Hello, welcome to E for the video. I'm Shirley. We know LED strips is light, high brightness, flexible, slim, and with a lot of applications. Today, I will show you how to use the COB LED strips to make a beautiful light for this background. First of all, I will roughly measure the positions of where the COB LED strips will be installed. The purpose of this is to facilitate the cutting and assembling the COB LED strips. Here, I'm going to uncover the entire length of the RGB LED strips. Let's measure it. How long is it? You see, we can see the length of this position is 241 centimeters. It means we will need to cut the COB LED strips with the same length of 241 centimeters. And on this background, and I will make a light like this, straight, up, down, and forward. It's like the electronic wave. In order to facilitate the measurement, I use the rope to nail a section of it. And finally, I will only need to measure the length of the rope to get a know how long the COB LED strips will be cut. I measure and take a section of it and lay the passing lay it. All right, I take off the rope and measure it. This section is 46 centimeter. This section is 60 centimeter. And this section is 86 centimeter. The straight line at both ends are 70 and 90 centimeters respective. All right, I will start to cut or assemble the COB LED strips. First of all, I cut out these RGB strips with 241 centimeters. 这录了哈。Second, I will take the blue light with 3 section part. One section is 46 centimeter. 46 centimeter here. A second part is 60 centimeter. 60. And the next part is 86 centimeter. 86. And we cut 3 more pink strips, the pink strips. One part is 46 centimeter, 46 here. One part is 60 centimeter, 60 here. In fact, the nearest part is 59 centimeter. Okay. And one pass is 86 centimeter. 86 here. Okay, 3 packs. And we finally we'll cut some parts of the white strips. One is 70 centimeter, 70. Centimeter, nearest. One pass is 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. Okay. Cut with the straight line, with the cutting line here. Okay, here we give the total, the pass. All right, all the strips have been cut. You can see that here is 9 parts of the strips. This one is RGB COB LED strips with 241 centimeters. This one is white, 70 centimeters. This one is white, 90 centimeters. The blue, 46 centimeters. Blue colors with 60 centimeters. And the blue colors with 8 centimeters. 60 centimeters. This one is pink. Pink with 46 centimeters. The 60 centimeters pink one. And the last one is 86 centimeters. Okay, the total length, total 9 lengths here. In order to collect those strips together, I have prepared electronic pseudo wire with the teeny wire and several collected parts wires. Of course, if you are in trouble, you can also use the terminal for the COB LED strips. It's no need to welding, and if you want to get to know how to use the collectors, you can review our website and get to know how to collect it. I have made a video on the older videos. Okay, let's start the welding. Alright, the welding is complete. After soldering, I suggest you test the LED strips before you install the project to avoid the problem, get the problem after installed. So I tested it. Yeah, it's working. I'm satisfied with it. Okay, finally it's time to stick the COB LED strips. Stick the strip is completed easily. Or with self-adhesive on the back of the strips. Just tear off it and stick where you want to install. Okay, let's start to install. You know, 知道了。这个中间要不无缝的？
不用。
搞切呢？这样呢？这样。 搞尖一点，看看。哎，不对啊。那你当时应该贴这儿了吧？不会这么矮啊，这比我人还矮啊。Okay, I will collect the strips with the controller. This is the controllers. We connect the black one to the output of the position. The red one to the red to 1.1 collect it with its color. Here is missing. Okay, the red one, this one here. The green one and the blue one. Okay, what work finished? Let's test the effect. Wow, very beautiful. Here, this one is the RGB COB LED strips. Here, this is a remote controller with the different colors and programs. Jump, flash, auto, and here single colors: red, green, blue, white. Some single color with auto with the different programs. Last time in this video, the most important, if you like this video, welcome to subscribe it. And we see next time.